ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Nida Show.
Yay!
Okay, our topic today is same-gender marriage should be legalized in Indonesia. So, ladies and gentlemen, same-gender in Indonesia prohibited by government because Indonesia, especially our country, has already rule in Indonesia. So, because of that, I'm curious to discuss about that. So, I have two guests to discuss about that. They are Miss Lida and Mr. Made. Welcome to Mr. Lida and Mr. Made. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How are you? Please. Okay. Before beginning our discussion, I want to ask for your view until now your job. So, what do you think? What do you do, Miss Lida?
Okay, my career, I think I have already been observing LGBT for the rest 10 years,
Oh, a long
10 years
time.
lately, yeah. And last year I just got an award in human rights because I getting involved in LGBTI LGBTI organization. So now in Indonesia they already have LGBT organization.
So you very enjoy, very interesting to work in your job, right?
Yeah, because I like to support um, every human rights.
So how about you, Mr. Made? So what do you do in your job right now?
Right now, I'm still busy with my job as a sociologist.
Sociology.
Not only as sociologist, but also as a lecturer in university. And I know work in my project about the same-sex marriage and relationship. I think this topic really interesting. So I can discuss my opinion with the Miss Liska to develop my own project.
Our topic, yes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Back to our topic. Miss Lisda and Mr. Made. We know that Indonesia has already ruled about some gender or some sex marriage. So, what do you think? Do you agree about some gender marriage should be legalized in Indonesia?
Okay, from what I see from the topic, same-sex marriage should be legalized in Indonesia. From my side, from my opinion, you already know that I am an LGBT observer, and I think I want to support their rights to have marriage because they have love each other, and I agree with that opinion because if they not legalize the same-sex marriage in Indonesia, they will be rebel. They will be rebel, and they will also have the marriage, but they will do it illegally. So I think if the government not legalize the same-sex marriage um, to be legalized in Indonesia, it will be chaos, and people will just still marriage, but they will do it illegally, and not legal because and they will, I think, because they're married illegally, they will have to do with law, right? They will what you call that, committed in crime, yeah, and it will uh, make them stress. Then that should be. So I think I agree with the topic today.
So, in your opinion, it means that you agree because they make it because they love each other, they
Yeah.
talk about each other.
If they already love each other, they have right to live with the one that they love, and we cannot forbid them to do that because it's their right, and their rights needs to be fulfilled, right?
So, how about you, Mr. Made? Do you agree with the topic because transgender marriage should be legalized in Indonesia?
In my opinion, I cannot agree about the same-sex marriage in Indonesia because you know that our country, right? Not only country of law but also country of religion. Because of that, maybe I think that people around will see that about the same-sex marriage become taboo or like freak or
Not general in our culture.
yes, and they think this is not normal or this relationship become abnormal. Because of that, do you know that our law, right? In the article 1 from our law number 1 in year 1974 that bond between men and women make them like husband and wife. Because of that, I think this is cannot be legalized in Indonesia. That's
So, in your opinion, it means that because we live in Indonesia because Indonesia has already rule about that. So, the government forbid about that.
yes.
So, and then uh, why the same gender or the same sex prohibited in Indonesia? In the other hand, because of the war,
I think that not only from the rule and from the religion Indonesian that attached in Indonesian, but also our tradition about the marriage. Maybe the tradition cannot maybe cannot relate with about the same sex marriage. I think that our tradition also prohibit forbid the same sex marriage.
because our tradition, because our norm in Indonesia. Yes. So, for you, Miss so what is the factor about them to make relationship so that
What
they
makes them
to get married?
to get married?
Yes.
Okay. From what I have observed, um, I think that they want to get married each other because they already feel comfortable each other, and they want to have uh, the real relationship that already been approved by everyone that they are a couple, and they want to uh, have a normal relationship just like anybody else. So they want to get married and they want to have a legal relationship because they want to uh, when it's more comfortable, when you get back from job, from your work, and you will get home and things that your couple is waiting for you in house, right? So they want to live in a same roof just like any other couple.
Because about the feeling,
Yeah.
the factor to get married.
Yeah, they maybe there are a lot of another factor, and one of them maybe they're around them.
Most
Yeah,
important.
the people around them because they're LGBT, they will find another LGBT and they will support each other and they will see that um, that couple can get married. So how can I cannot get married too with uh, my love, with the one that I love, right? So they want to get married as well.
So, don't you feel afraid if they make relationship so the other people, for example, don't care about that. So, for example, uh, feel feel not normal for the society.
Yeah, I think in Indonesia, the society is not ready to accept them, to to welcome them as a normal couple. But from what I think, if the government already legalized the same sex marriage in Indonesia, they will be feel grateful, and they will be feel not stressful to do the marriage, and the people around them will just accept them for who they are.
So the society just expect them because they like, because
Yeah.
they make it because they love each other.
Yeah, uh, they have rights, and it needs to be fulfilled, right? So it's not our rights to stop them to get married each other.
So how about you, Mr. Made? So how many cases in Indonesia that you have about transgender legalized in Indonesia?
In Indonesia, there are so many about the same-sex marriage case, but the only recall in Indonesia only maybe 12%.
Oh, it's so many cases.
Yes. One of the example about the same-sex marriage. You know about the case Icha and Uma?
Yes, I have heard because I would like to read the news like television. Yes.
The story is beginning about the Icha who disguised as a woman and try to lie with with his couple that he is a woman that can live happy with him with his couple Umar. In the end, Umar finally know the truth about the Icha, that Icha is a male. In the end, Umar uh, Umar try to divorce Icha because this case. Maybe we can think that in Indonesia we cannot legalize the same-sex marriage.
So what do you think about the case? So you know that they make relationship because they have same gender. So what do you think?
I think that from this case, I think the only one that feel responsible for this case is maybe the Icha, because why he all why he always want to become the woman, but
Yes.
he cannot accept him as a male.
As a man. Okay. This is the last questions for Miss Lily.
No. May I interrupt? May I give you my opinion to Mr. Madi? Same-sex marriage is not based on just that case. I think it's not. It should be. It should be wrong. It's not right, right? Because Icha is lying to Umar, to his couple. He's lying because Umar is a straight guy, and Umar is not like Icha who love a man, right? But I think their case is should be Icha should be jailed as well, because Icha is lying, and same-sex marriage is not like that. Same-sex marriage is between two people who agree to get married because they love each other, because they already know that the 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 person that they want to get married is same gender as they. They realize that they have same gender with them, and they still accept it, and they want to get married each other. I think the same sex gender concept is just like that. And in Icha and Umar case, um, the one who realized that the person who will get married to him is the same sex as him is Icha himself, right? So Umar didn't realize that Icha also a man. So um, this is a lying case, right? So I think it's not the same concept as same-sex marriage. So it's not. We cannot call it as same-sex marriage because Umar didn't realize the one that he married is a man also.
Because Umar think that Icha is female.
Yeah, because he loved Icha as a female,
As a
not
female,
not a man.
So, what do you think about it?
Maybe can I interrupt about
It's
about
okay, it's okay.
her
Before
opinion?
before I get the last question.
Okay. uh, Miss Lisda, do you know that the marriage purpose, right,
Yeah.
to make a child? That's the real reason for marriage. Oh, how can be the same sex can make child? Can you answer my question?
Okay. Um, I will answer it. Yeah. The same-sex marriage is supposed to be the fulfillment of their satisfied. They do it because they want to get satisfied. They want to their feeling get to be one with the
Satisfied to
one.
be loved each
Yeah.
other.
To be one with the one that they love. To be get married. To be get in touch with the one that they love. And um, all marriage is not. I know the concept is getting married is to have a child, but in this case, they cannot have a child, right? But they have fulfilled their feeling. They have fulfilled their love. They have loved each other, and they want to do it. So why we should prohibit them?
Okay, I think it's an interesting topic we discuss.
Yeah.
Okay, so I want to ask. It is the last question for Mr. Sida first. So, what's the consequence for them to make relation and then they getting married? What the consequence? What do you think?
If they're getting married, and if the government legalized the same-sex marriage in Indonesia, I think the LGBT people will feel happy and they will feel unstressful and they will live more better life. And I think for the married couple like uh, who has married and legalized in Indonesia, they will have more good way to life because not to they didn't have to pretend that they didn't marry, right? They just tell people that they are married. They can tell people that they are married, and if the marriage is legalized in Indonesia, people, the society will accept them as a married couple, right? So they will be more happy, and their psychology will will be better because the LGBT people tends to be more sensitive than usual people. So if we stop them to getting married, they will rebel, and they will feel like offended because they cannot marry the one who they love.
Okay, because the same gender is also to normal human.
Yeah.
They just need to love. They just need to comfortable with the other people.
Yeah, they also love someone and they're also compatible with one person, but um, the difference between this ordinary couple just they love the same sex people just like they.
So, how about you, Mr. Madu?
What the
What
consequences?
the consequence if they make relationship until they get married?
You know that if they still make relationship between the same sex, I think they will become isolated from their social life.
Social life.
In the end, they will become, like freak, and in the end, maybe any normal people maybe thinks that this is a really abnormal guy. So I think that this may be some problem that need government to take care to handle.
Okay. Thank you for Ms. Lisda and Mr. Made. So first of all, from our discuss, I think the Congo is it's up to you for the many people to make relationship with other people. It's up to you if they will make relationship with some gender or the same sex until they married. It is the right because we cannot force, right?
Yeah, we cannot force them.
We cannot force them because it's their like. But we have to know because we live in Indonesia. We are Indonesian that Indonesian, especially government, has already ruled that forbid the transgender. But if they still want to make relationship, so I think it's better if they do in the abroad because we know that uh, the other Indonesia, the other country is low,
Yeah,
low to make them, so
marry.
to marry them. So thank you very much. I'm very happy to discuss about it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Okay,
thanks.
thank you.
Yeah.